Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. On a recent trip to Madrid, Spain, I decided that it would be the perfect occasion to try out the photo capabilities of the photo mode on my Google Pixel 8. This video is also recorded on my Google Pixel 8 stock camera video mode. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the straight out of camera images taken on that visit to the Rastro, and at the end of the video, I will include a few edited versions. I really wanted to get some street photography type images at the iconic Rastro in Madrid, but I didn't want to take my Panasonic S5 or my Sony ZV-E10 and all the lenses with so many people all around and so much heat on that particular day. Using my Google Pixel 8 was the perfect solution. Remember the saying that the best camera is the camera which you have with you. Or rather, any camera is better than no camera at all. I set the stock camera app to photo mode with the format of 4:3 to take full advantage of the camera sensor, knowing that it would give me perfectly acceptable 12 megapixel images. I activated the grid overlay and I attached a small metal phone holder to my Ulanzi mini metal tripod, which I could just hold in my hand to make it easier to carry, and off I went. I was really surprised with the straight out of camera images which the Google Pixel 8 produces, especially the colors, the contrast, and the focus. So here are some of those straight out of camera images taken on a beautiful sunny Madrid Sunday morning. And I think you'll agree that they do look pretty nice. In a moment, you'll see a few edited versions of some of the images captured on that particular morning. So there you have it. Those were straight out of camera images produced on the photo mode of my Google Pixel 8. As always, you'll find affiliate links to products mentioned and used in the making of this video in the description section down below. If you do decide to buy something from one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating videos for you here on this channel. Please also leave any comments or questions which you may have in the comments section down below. I always answer comments and questions which you leave, and interacting with me is a great way for me to know what kind of content you would like to see. Okay, so let's take a look at a few edited, finished versions of images from this set. So there you have it. I hope you liked those edited images from my Rastro set. If you liked this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.